In this video, we'll see how MacroView corporate email filing can automatically save copies of Outlook emails that are sent to Microsoft 365 groups. In this Outlook mail window, we have mailboxes for two users, a user called Demo and another user called Jane. We see that user Demo is a member of two groups, the test group and a test private group. Likewise, user Jane is also a member of those two groups. If we check the settings for the test group and hit edit, we see that users outside the organization are allowed to send emails to the group, which will cause a copy of that email to appear in the inboxes for all the members of that group. Let's see this in action. Well, here we are in Outlook Web Access, logged in as a user who is not actually a member of the test group. We're sending an email to the test group, and that email's subject has a valid corporate email filing tag. Let's hit send and go back into the Outlook environment. The email has now arrived in the inbox of the demo user. As we watch, we see it being saved to SharePoint automatically by corporate email filing. The demo user can read that email, in which case the unread highlighting is removed. But if we go to the inbox for the other member of the group, Jane, we see that that same email has arrived and has been saved automatically, and it's still appearing as if unread. If we go to the email folder for the project identified by the CEF filing tag, we see that there is a single copy of the email that's been sent from outside the organization to members of the group. Here is that email, and this is the filing tag in the subject of the email, which has caused that email to be saved to this email folder. Note that there is a single copy, even though there are multiple members, each of whom has received the email. Only one copy of the email is actually saved in SharePoint Online. Well, to recap, a Microsoft 365 group is actually a distribution list with multiple members rather than a separate mailbox. An email sent to a group will appear in the inboxes of all members of the group, and that email will display as unread for each member, even if other members read the email. A single copy of the email will be saved automatically by corporate email filing if the email contains a valid filing tag in its subject, and the location for that automatic save is the location identified by the corporate email filing tag. Use these details for more information about corporate email filing and MacroView solutions generally for managing documents and emails in Microsoft 365, SharePoint, and Teams.